on, take it off. Snap it on, take it off. Snap it on, take it off. Black Claw Gray.
Greetings, AHOL. When it comes to growing, studying, and selling different plants, hornworts, fungus, ferns, and mosses for medicinal and sometimes recreational purposes, everybody in the village knows to visit famous Galen's pharmacognostic hut. It's totally herbaceous, dude. Settler Galen really likes plants. It's what he loves most and does best. He's constantly coming up with new ways to synthesize different herbs, grasses, weeds, and flowers into potent concoctions that help alleviate different aches, pains, ailments, and ills for folks all throughout the village. He works alongside his lover, the beautiful Ambretta Briar. This ginger-maned lassie is a green-thumbed goddess, capable of working wonders and making miracles from exotic herbs and strange plants, like the bald-budded wingnut sprout, the jimberry bubble fruit, purple hork flower, and the nimbernot vine. Well, there you have it, my sweet AHOL. Settler Galen and Ambretta Briar, the village herbalists. Now it's your turn. Are you able to identify what sets and minifigures all these different torsos, legs, heads, and hair pieces originally come from? I bet you can. So come on, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. Ring the dang bell, you ding dong, and we'll see you again real soon.